Well, good morning. Getting ready to start working on the old girl today and install a Holley Sniper EFI. And I figured might as well show you guys what comes in the box, do a little unboxing here. I've got the complete system, and this is how it came. So we've got Holley Sniper EFI master kit. It came in this box, got some grease prints on it from me touching it with dirty hands. And then I've got a complete duraspark system, full timing control. And then I also ordered a 14-inch air cleaner base, because you need the Holley base to clear the, it's a drop base and it clears the AN fuel fittings on the unit. The regular 14-inch lids won't work. So I'll just go ahead and start out. We'll open up the Holley Sniper EFI master kit and I'll show you what comes inside. Now for this Riviera, it's a Carter carb, so it's the 4-barrel version of the Holley Sniper, not the quadrajet version, and not the 4150 Holley carb lookalike version. Made in Bowling Green, Kentucky. That's pretty cool. It's only like 2 hours away from me. Sniper TBI Master Kit Black 550-511K. Bolt-on carburetor replacement. All right, let's open her up. Okay, one big box reveals 2 more boxes. I'm in my sweet Cookie Monster pajamas this morning. Alright, a big piece of styrofoam. Awesome. There it is. Looks like a EFI relay harness. Ooh, stickers. Looks like a air cleaner gasket and a carb gasket with instructions. And looks like the unit itself looks like it's full of some kind of grease coating. Pre-wired, pre-assembled. That looks pretty snazzy. Looks like they just have it sit on top of its important bits. More wires with sheathing. What we got here? Oxygen sensor. I like how everything, oh, what is this? Ignition coil driver. Looks like a coolant temperature sensor. Oxygen sensor, plate, gasket, and clamps. Try to organize this stuff now. And the screen. I'll tell you, the way they shipped this, lucky that the screen's not broke with that carb sitting right on top of it. You just pull this out and make sure the screen's okay. Oh, it looks like the screen has like a protective cover, hard plastic cover. That's pretty cool. And a stylus and some sticky 3M adhesive tape with an alcohol pad. That's nice for mounting. So that's pretty much everything in box number 1. Let's go to box number 2. Alright, box number 2. Now this should be the master kit, so you can order this with just the Sniper box, which is the one I just opened. And then they also sell a master kit, which is supposed to come with all the fuel bits you need to plumb it. I did read the instructions, and this requires a 3/8 pressure and a 3/8 return line. Most classic cars like this one have a 5/16 pressure line and a 1/4 inch return line. So that's not going to be good enough to support the Holley unit. So let's open this stuff up here and see what we got. Alright, Fuel filter, check. What we got here? I'm asking, this is a fuel pump. Yeah, fuel pump with mounting clamps and hardware. That's cool. I was worried it wasn't going to come with mounting hardware, because you know how the aftermarket is these days. Let's give you the part and then no hardware. What do we got here? Big old spool of 3/8 line, high pressure EFI line. This is green shield. Barricade, Gates barricade, and 4219BF. I've got more of this actually up on the shelf back there. That barricade's good stuff. Vapor guard push lock fittings. This is Earl's, so that's a straight hose end. And another straight hose end. This is a bulkhead nut. 90°-6. Yeah, the Holley Sniper appears to use -6 standard, so another -6 nut, another -6 straight. So it looks like we have 3 straights, 1 90, and 2 nuts. These vapor guards use clamps. Here's some -6 Dowdy seals, or 9/16 Dowdy seals. I'm not sure if that's going to go on the Holley Sniper itself or have something to do with the fuel pump. Another Wix fuel filter. So I'm guessing a pre and a post filter. Comes with the clamps. Yep. Oh, it's even got a couple of pieces of hose in there. Okay, so 2 fuel filters. We got a, that looks to be a fuel pump straw. And then some more instructions. That's what comes in the 2 boxes. I'm going to keep these instructions here. So there you have it. This is the master kit. Fuel line, filter, or pump, 2 filters, a pre and a post. Straight, 90°, 2 nuts, vapor guard clamps, 2 Dowdy seals, and a fuel pump straw. Check out these sweet Cookie Monster pajamas, dude. The Holley Sniper unit itself, the display screen, coolant temperature sensor, oxygen sensor with mount clamps, a distributor ignition coil driver if you're using a regular distributor. Not sure what this harness is for yet. A main EFI relay harness, 14-inch filter gasket, and a gasket itself for the carb or the Sniper unit. And now let's move on to the HyperSpark system. So this HyperSpark system came in 3 boxes plus the air cleaner. Now you can see this air cleaner. There's nothing fancy here. It's a drop base, but it has these dents in it so that it'll sit on top of the AN fuel lines on the top of that. And then the top of this basically uses a standard 14-inch air cleaner assembly. And so I went to Summit and I just bought their generic 14-inch air cleaner with a K&N filter. I'm going to transfer the filter in the top to this, and that'll be the base. So let's open up this duraspark. To me, the cool thing about this Holley was the ability that it controls digital timing. You put this duraspark system in, and the computer itself controls all the timing on the car. And if you buy the whole system, all the harnesses are plug and play. So I've read and seen. So this big box looks like it just has the distributor in it. Let's see. Looks like somebody's opened this before. Hopefully just to inspect it. Oh yeah, look at that. So there's the the Hyperspark. It's got a gear pre-installed. It has a little cap for setting the timing. What else is in here? Looks like a retainer for spark plug wires, the harness, a distributor base gasket, and screws. Not sure what those screws are for. Lucas Performance gear brake-in lubricant, and instructions. This is the second box that came with. Okay, I ordered this on my own. This is a lever extension for the Rivieras. A lot of guys buy this lever extension and then modify it. Part number 20-14. That does not come with the Holley Hyperspark system. We got 2 more Hyperspark boxes here. Alright, looks like we got the harness for the Hyperspark system. And this thing's pretty cool. This is basically like a MSD box if you're used to dealing with one of those, but it's Holley's version, the Sniper EFI Hyperspark, all plug and play if you get the whole system. And it comes with mounting hardware and electrical connectors. It's pretty sweet, and instructions. That's all that's in that box. And let's see what's in this box. I imagine this is the coil. Okay, so we've got mounting hardware, coil boot, another harness, and there we go. This is the Sniper EFI coil. Comes with some really nice heat sinks and mount, and it's also plug and play. And then I got one more box here, and I think this is a harness that I did not need, that I bought on my own on accident. Yeah, this is a Sniper EFI to Holley dual sync harness. So if you're running a dual sync distributor, this is a little adapter to make it plug and play with the Hyperspark. I didn't need it, so I'll either keep it on the shelf or send it back. But there you have it. This is the complete Hyperspark system. So between the Holley Sniper EFI over there and this, we're going to have full timing and fuel control. And then don't forget, you're going to have to get a drop base and your own air filter, because more than likely the air filter in your muscle car or whatever you're putting it in is not going to fit the Sniper. So that's it. This is all the boxes and carnage from all that stuff. And now you have a better idea of what you're getting when you purchase this stuff. So stay tuned. We'll start putting this stuff in this car, and that next video will be Holley Sniper install. See you next time.